Hello Dnation and welcome back to yet another unbox and review episode. In today's episode we're going to be unboxing a couple of 132 scale diecast pullback patrol bikes which are manufactured by Modern City Diecast, and let's see what scale size collectibles these fit in with. So stay tuned with me on this one and let's get this started. Well, the packaging on these are a standard window type boxing with all the product branding information manufactured by Modern City Diecast. So let's take a look at this premium boxing before we crack this thing open. And as we get this unboxed, please be careful while using sharp objects and keep in mind to keep these diecast motorcycles away from children below the age of 5, as the tiny parts can be hazardous. So keeping this in mind, let's get these opened. Well, at first glance these diecast models look quite premium and have a good build quality to them, and as you can see both these are patrol style motorcycle replicas, and I received a red variation and a yellow variation. And although these are not licensed diecast models of any particular model or make, they have quite a bit of details to them and are manufactured mostly of diecast and a few components with ABS plastic which make them premium. These models have a beautiful build quality and measured in at 3 inches in length, 2 inches in height, 1.5 inches in width and weigh in at about 59 grams per model. And I should admit that although these are not licensed replicas of any sorts, I still love the sturdy build of these models, and the branding details are spot on as well, as these models also have a pullback mechanism which makes it functional too, which is an excellent add-on. So let's go ahead and take a look at these awesome diecast patrol motorcycle models. And kindly find further features and specifications regarding these premium diecast models in the description below. Well, everything seems to be spot on and up to my expectations, and with these pullback models you're guaranteed a sturdy replica which is built to last and will warm the hearts of any diecast motorcycle collector or hobbyist, and I recommend it for children as they are of a sturdy build. And based on their sizes, I would like to let you know that you can add these models to your 132 scale motorcycle collection, as there is just a small size difference and can be matched up without sticking out. And so with that being said, let's place these cute little diecast models on the Dnation turntable and take a look at these patrol beauties in a 360-degree view. And just so you know, this model is available in 4 color variations, and on order a random color will be sent to you. And here are a few fun facts. A pullback motor is a simple clockwork motor used in toy cars and bikes. A patent for them was granted to Bertrand Fred Francis in 1952 as a keyless clockwork motor. Pulling the toy backward winds up an internal spiral spring, a flat spiral rather than a helical coiled spring. When released, the toy is propelled forward by the spring. When the spring is unwound and the toy is moving, the motor is disengaged by a clutch or a ratchet and the toy then rolls freely onward. Often the clutch mechanism is geared so that the pullback distance needed to wind the spring is less than the distance the spring is engaged propelling forward. And for further information on pullback motors, kindly check the link in the description below. And also please do let me know in the comments below as to what are your thoughts and which one of these premium diecast pullback motorcycles are your favorite. And if you want to get yourself or your loved ones any one of these diecast motorcycles that are featured in today's video, I dropped the Best Buy link in the description below. So go check it out and get yourself one if you're interested, and please do let me know in the comments below as to which one of these diecast pullback models are your favorite. And also please do let me know if there's anything in particular you would like to see in the upcoming episodes, and I'll be glad to take your suggestions and get them done. And this brings us to the end of this unique unbox and review episode, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. And if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a massive thumbs up and share it, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button if this is your first time here. And also don't forget to click that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming episodes. And if you care to share your views and thoughts on this episode, please do drop your comments below, and stay tuned for a lot more exciting episodes coming up. Well, thank you for watching, take care, and I'll see you on the next one.